Hi, Anthony here from Learning to Play the Guitar. In this video, I'm going to show you my easy beginner way of playing the Red Hot Chili Peppers song, Californication. Just a reminder, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe, and you can check out more lessons and my books at my website, learningtoplaytheguitar.net. Californication is a great song for beginners to learn as it introduces the idea of using an arpeggio in a song. It is used in the main riff based around the idea of A minor and an F chord. So the riff is based around the idea of an A minor chord at the beginning, where the first finger will be missing. So we have the A minor shape, take the first finger off, pluck the A string, the D string, skip down to the B string where my finger is now missing, so I've got open B, put that down, and we have a number 1 note there. So we have this pattern. Then the F chord will be treated a similar way, based around the idea of an F bar chord, but just using parts of it. So we're going to start off with fret 1 F on the bass string there, the E string, fret 3, my third finger there on the A string underneath, so we have fret 1, fret 3. Trying to get a good stretch of the hand there, creating this F power chord or F5 chord shape there. Keep the thumb behind the neck, allowing the hand to stretch out. So we've got 1, 3, open G, so creating a nice open sound there. Fret number 2 on that same string is the A note. So 1, 3, 0, 2 on the G string. So making sure we don't mute that G string with the edge of the first finger there, keeping it nice and clear. So the riff is those two parts combined. That's the A1 and F. While it is a little bit fiddly to get the F chord shape, keeping in mind keeping that thumb low as we go to the F to make those fingers stretch out, it is a good riff to learn as there are 2 whole beats between each chord shape or each chord pattern. So we'd have 3, 4. 3, 4, making it easy to go backwards and forwards, while some other songs with arpeggios are back to back with the chord changes, making them much harder to play. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication. The next main part of the song is usually played as bar chords, which are picked as arpeggios, and I've simplified that down to more standard chord shapes with simple strumming. So my standard chords here are going to be C, G, F major 7, which I call easy F, and a D minor. And here we can simply do 2 strums of each. So we would have C, G, F major 7, and D minor. Nice and easy. So that's that. If you want those kind of dreams, it's Californication. First time you play those 4 chords, they will go back to the arpeggio. The second time round, it will go to the strumming section of the song. So the strumming section is based around 2 chords, the A minor chord and the F major 7 chord, with that open E on the bottom there. And so the simple magic here is the first finger doesn't move, we just simply dance the pair of fingers 2 and 3 from A minor down a string for the second finger, third finger up there on fret 3 to make the F chord. That's pretty simple finger wise. To move those fingers backwards and forwards between those 2 chords. And there's 6 rounds of those chords going A, F, backwards and forwards. So the strumming here is a little bit fiddly. I call it a busy strum. And the strumming is in slow motion, just on A minor. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. And when we go to F, it'll be the same thing. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. And when you combine them all together, we end up with that sort of thing there. Keep in mind too, I'm trying to not hit the top string as I'm strumming, so I try to dive bomb in so we don't hit the top E string. I even put my thumb there just to mute it for insurance, just to be safe. And when we do the F chord, again, I'm only trying to hit the bottom 4 strings. Can't hit the A string. there, but I tend to avoid it because it sounds clearer if we miss it. So the final part we look at here from an easy beginner version of Californication is the chorus. So the chorus section is based around these chords: C, G7, D minor, A minor. Then it goes back to C again, G7, and D minor. And so I have a little strumming pattern here which they use, but I've kept it more consistent throughout, which is down, down, up on each chord, except for when it's not. We will cover that right now. So the strumming will be C, down, down, up, G7, one finger down, two fingers up, down, down, up, D minor, the first finger to stay there, makes it easy to get to, down, down, up, two A minors, strum, strum, like that, and then C again, down, down, up, one G7, one D minor. So that's all over that. Dream of Californication, that bit. Dream of Californication, G and a D minor. And that takes you back to the start for verse 2. And then the same thing repeats all over again. And so the second time round we have a double chorus. So in the middle of that second chorus, after the two A's, we go to the C with the strumming, down, down, up, G7, same, down, down, up. Now we have the D minor, and we're going to keep ploughing through with 4 of those down, down ups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it does this whole C, G, D minor, A thing all over again, with the stops with the G and the D on the end. So it's very much the same, but we're just strumming in the middle where we would have been stopping. So while there is a guitar solo in this song, I'm not going to worry about that for this easy beginner version. That would be something for another lesson on another day.